So, after some research, I finally could understand the YouTube algorithm. It's so simple. You just have to put 2 videos on your YouTube channel and forget about it for 5 months. Et voila, you are famous now. Sadly, it doesn't work like that. If you need to get, you have to give first. You have to give your time, your energy, and sometimes even your money. Don't expect to get things before giving and giving a lot. Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel Joe Becoming a Millionaire, in which I share videos and tips that I'm learning during my journey to become financially free. My purpose with these videos is to help you or assist you and inspire you to start your journey also. So if you are interested in becoming a millionaire, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Today I will be talking to you about how to make $1 million in 1 week. I'm just kidding, it's a joke. On a serious note, today I'll be talking about skills that can help you double or triple your income. I cannot promise you any amount of money, but I will ensure you that if you can learn these skills, you will be able to make more money starting from the next month. And again, you just have to remember that in order to get, you have to give. What are you going to give? You will give your time to learn these skills. And maybe you will give even your money to promote yourself with your skills. So if you are expecting me to show you a weird website where you can start clicking and getting money, that is not me. I will show you some real skills that you can use in real life to get money and make a new income source for yourself. So number 1, copywriting. For me, copywriting is the art of putting words together in order to convince a group of people or one person to do or to take a favorable action toward yourself or toward you. A lot of people link copywriting with sales only, which is a little bit wrong, because copywriting can be anything from applying to a job to trying to convince a girl that you like with chatting to go out with you. So you can basically use it for anything like sales, brand awareness, just to make people believe your ideas. So now you may ask me why I put copywriting in the first place. It's because when you know copywriting, you can use copywriting to attract clients to your services. I hope that was clear. But in other words, when you know copywriting, you can write emails or sell letters that can be the testimony for your work itself. So now let's move to number 2, which is social media management. This one can be the easiest of the 3, but it is also so tricky because most people, when you ask them about social media, they will tell you that they know social media, but when you ask them about the business or professional aspects of social media, most of them say no, when they are a little bit similar. Basically, you just have to know some tools and techniques that you can use in order to start using social media in a business way. You can also combine it with copywriting to create some great posts that can attract people to your brand. And believe me, with what is going on around the world these days, I mean the pandemic, a lot of businesses are giving more importance to social media. So if you can master the technicalities of social media, you will have a lot of money coming to your bank. You can even scale it from like freelancing to creating your social media management agency. So now number 3, which is Facebook ads. I know that for a lot of people, Facebook ads can be something very complicated, but believe me, the basics of Facebook ads are so simple. But the difficulty of Facebook ads is that you have to put money or to spend money in order to learn. It is like swimming. If you don't jump in water, you cannot learn swimming. So you have to test by yourself. You have to spend your money and know the combination and the strategies that works. But once you know that and you figure out how it works, you can use that for other people or other clients to help them. So now I will tell you how to learn each one of these. I will start with the last one, which is Facebook ads. And I believe the best way to learn Facebook ads is to go to YouTube and start watching some tutorials. If you want to make yourself commit to it, you can buy like a $10 course on Udemy, or to go to any other websites where there are courses and watch a tutorial. As I said, the basics are simple, but if you want to scale things with Facebook ads, you just have to test by yourself and figure things out by yourself. And the same goes for social media management. You just have to know some technicalities and some tools that you can watch on YouTube, for example, tutorials, and you can learn all that stuff by yourself, just trying with your social media profiles. For copywriting, I suggest a book called Copywriting. I think I have a copy of it here. I do have it. This book called Copywriting. This one is amazing if you are trying to learn copywriting and advertising in general. Of course, one book is not enough, so you just have to read the book maybe, and learn also a few things on YouTube and start practicing. You cannot master anything in the world if you don't practice. So that is it for me, guys. I hope the video was helpful, and if you know or master any of these skills, let me know in the comment section below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, because that can help big time. Peace. Your coffee, but first you eat something.